going?
Walmart. They got cheap food.
Oh, yeah. God, we need to go there. I'm gonna take the long way. Oh, I'm gonna take the long way to Walmart. You gonna be mad.
You can't turn that way.
Oh, shit. Cops ain't out regardless.
Ah, bro, why?
Fuck it, you're right.
Oh, damn. See? Here. Can't even see the fucking road.
Don't worry. Shit's crazy. 7 a.m. Sky is beautiful, man. Day's great. Patting on your head. What's up?
She said that she needs to know exactly the time that she might be able to like fix it herself and then subtract the money for the parts and stuff.
Okay, so it would be the crankshaft position sensor, and it could be the timing chain. The timing chain is very expensive, maybe. Might be the most expensive fix that car would need. This car is so fucking beautiful, man. It's got too many miles though. We should just we could just replace the engine in this car, just trade it in for a Corvette. Damn. I think the camera's high as hell though. Police officer right there. Where? Alright, chill. I don't want my wheels to spin. Brimbos is putting in overtime, nigga. Holy. Let me not do that again. Holy shit. Is that another Camaro right there? Beautiful. I think that's a 6th gen right there. God damn. I might park right next to that nigga. There's so many cars in the parking lot. I'm gonna park right next to it. I'm weird as fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'll spin this bitch in the Walmart parking lot right now.
Oh, that shit looks so nice.
Is that a 6th gen? Yeah, that's a 6th gen for sure. You can already tell it's a 6th gen.
Hey, what if somebody's in here?
Park
like in front. Like,
I'm gonna park in front right here. LT1, I'm gonna rev this bitch like once or twice.
I think someone is in here.
Got the purple too. Beautiful call, mate. Beautiful call, mate. God damn, this car is beautiful in the rain. I gotta replace that tint.
The G?
No. The lights are on for some reason. Can you turn them off? Damn, flicked up. This car is so beautiful, man. Quick walk around, bro. This is the most beautiful car I've ever owned. Holy shit. Why do I own this car, man? Like, I need the front windows tinted too. Maybe the back too. This car is just so beautiful. Holy shit, look at the war wound right there, man.
Car?
Oh, it's a nice car. It's a nice car. Let me see.
Oh, it's a Cadillac.
Is it? Damn, he parked right beside our Camaro. It's a nice ass classic car. It's a high rod right there. Camaro, Cadillac, Camaro, all GM vehicles.
You can check on downtown.
For what?
That place should be open.
Ooh, crispy. That was gay. That was gay as hell. That was gay as hell, boy.
Crispy. Wait, what's that? There's a big ass rock right there.
I know. Is that a howdy? I knew it. You want me to drive downtown? Oh.
Get more content.
Shit.
What?
I got you after the next paycheck, Gangy.
What?
Driving downtown. Oh, there's another Challenger. Is it? What the fuck is that?
Why are you going so slow?
It's raining. Police for a second. What the fuck? I was going 60 in the third. Nigga, that was like a 35. I was going 30 over. Holy shit, this car is so beautiful. I'm making it. Oh shit. That bag in the back, or just hear it. Nah, you don't gotta fix it. We're gonna fix it. I gotta put air in that front left tire. Oh my god, those downshifts are crazy. I wish my paddle shifters worked. I gotta fix that. Should I do it again? Should I downshift?